Hey guys, welcome back to the shop here. We're going to continue on working on this golf cart. Today we're going to pull the motor loose and see if we can't slide it over to get this to line up with this. So I'll try to get you guys set up here where you can kind of see. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see. Most of it's going to be from underneath, and underneath it's just some bolts, but yeah, we'll get the camera pulled back here a little bit and try to get you guys a good angle and get this thing unbolted and slid over. Alright guys, I got the 4 bolts out of there, out of the engine there, getting ready to slide it over. So let's see if we can manhandle this thing over and get it lined up. Let's put this belt back on here and see if we can really get it lined up. Hey now. Alright. There, we got the belt on. Ooh. Oh, there it is. That's better. Alright. Well, I think that's about where it needs to be. It doesn't look like it's a whole really lined up, but and we're most definitely going to have to drill some holes. So I can see that from the side here, the engine's sitting in there kind of crooked, but about right there is where it needs to be. I think that belt's going to be too tight. It's going to be too short of a belt, I think. So, maybe I'll see if I can get a longer one, and because right now as it sits, I don't know if you guys will be able to see down in here, but right in there, this plate, this bolt hole's almost past the bottom of the hole, so, or past the back of the plate. So I don't think that belt's going to be long enough. So, alright, well, I guess we're done for the evening, so I will come back to you guys whenever I figure out what I'm going to do for a belt. Alright guys, I know you're probably all yelling at me, but I didn't realize it until after I shut the camera and stuff off and started moving the motor around, that this driven clutch was stuck open. There must be some little surface rust or something there on the inside of that. So yeah, now the belt will probably fit right, and I'll be able to move the motor around where I need to, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I did actually catch that, and you know, you don't have to yell at me and everything else, so we got her corrected. Alright guys, I got the motor roughly in line where it needs to be, but if you guys can see there, the front of the engine's right at the edge of the engine plate there, and this belt is way too loose. So yes, I am going to have to get a new belt. I gotta figure out how to measure it, what I need, and actually, you know, so yeah, still here stammering and stuttering. Figure out how to measure it and get one so I can actually get this motor mounted down. So it might be a few days, so we will bring y'all back whenever I get that belt.